Hello friends, welcome to LS Academy for Technical Education. In today's video, we'll discuss the part 3 of the machine learning MCQ, which is based on the AKTU Lucknow syllabus. So we are going to start from the question number 1. Question number 1 is genetic algorithms are. Genetic algorithm क्या होती है? A part, a class of algorithms that try and build solution by introducing evolution and selection of the best in a population of candidate solution. B part, methods based on the theory of natural selection and evolutionary biology for solving optimization problems. And C part, a historic search method used in artificial intelligence and computing. And D part, all of the above. तो जेनेटिक एल्गोरिथम में सारी फीचर्स होती हैं, तो इसलिए जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट इज द बेसिक आइडिया बिहाइंड जेनेटिक एल्गोरिथम इज टू वर्क विद ए पॉपुलेशन A of problem solver they interact with each other through science. B part of candidate solution to try and create better candidates by mixing genes. C part of candidate solution in which each candidate is historically refined. And D of problem solver each of which does an independent historic search. And the correct answer is of candidate solutions to try and create better candidates by mixing genes. A genetic algorithm GA for optimization is most likely to succeed given a small population of fit and similar individual, B a large population of fit and similar individual, C a small diverse population of fit individuals, and D a large diverse population of fit individuals. And the correct answer is a large diverse population of fit individuals. Genetic algorithm is a genetic algorithm क्या है? A search technique used in computing to find true or approximate solution to optimization and search problem. B. Sorting technique used in computing to find true or approximate solution to optimization and sort problem. C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Such technique used in computing to find true or approximate solution to optimization and search problem. Next question is the algorithm operates by iteratively updating a pool of hypotheses called A. Population, B. Fitness, C. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Population. Produces two new offspring from two parent string by copying selected bit from each parent is called A. Mutation, B. Inheritance, C. Crossover, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is crossover. Search through the hypothesis space cannot be characterized. Why? A part. Hypotheses are created by crossover and mutation operators that allow radical changes between successive generations. B. Hypotheses are not created by crossover and mutation operators. And C part, none of the above. Correct answer is A. Hypotheses are created by crossover and mutation operators that allow radical changes between successive generations. Learning feedback that evaluates the learner performance without providing standards of correctness in the form of behavioral targets is called what? A. Reinforcement learning, B. Supervised learning, C. None of the above. तो reinforcement learning is the correct answer because reinforcement learning में आप कोई भी आपको स्टैंडर्ड प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, आप सिर्फ उसको बताते हैं कि जो उसका वर्क है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उसको पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव फीडबैक देते हैं. कोई भी एक इसमें प्रोसेस नहीं बताया जाता कि ये सही है या गलत है, किस तरीके क्यों सही है क्यों गलत है, सिर्फ सही या गलत के बारे में बताया जाता है थ्रू द पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव फीडबैक. सो इट इज ए reinforcement learning method. Next one is which type of feedback used by the reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning में किस टाइप का फीडबैक यूज किया जाता है? A purely instructive, B purely evaluative, C both A and B, D none of these. तो जैसा कि हमने बताया कि सिर्फ ये बताया जाता है कि करेक्ट है या इनकरेक्ट है, क्यों इनकरेक्ट है या करेक्ट है ये नहीं बताया जाता. सो इट्स ए प्योरली इवेल्युएटिव फीडबैक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज जेनेटिक ऑपरेटर्स इंक्लूड A crossover, B mutation, C both A and B, D none of the above. So correct answer is both crossover and mutation are included. So correct answer is C both A and B. What is are the problem solving method for reinforcement learning? A dynamic programming, B Monte Carlo method, C temporal difference learning, D all of these. तो जितने भी मेथड हैं तीनों के तीनों ही आपके reinforcement learning में यूज किए आते हैं. So D is the correct answer. Question is, which of the following is are the prerequisite when genetic algorithms are applied to solve problems? First, encoding of solution. Second, well understood search space. Third, method of evaluating the suitability of the solution. And fourth, contain only one optimal solution. And the options are first and second. आपके करेक्ट हैं. बी सेकंड एंड थर्ड करेक्ट है. सी फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड करेक्ट है. और डी थर्ड एंड फोर्थ करेक्ट है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, यानी कि सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर की एनकोडिंग ऑफ सॉल्यूशन एंड मेथड of evaluating the suitability of the solution is the prerequisite when genetic algorithm are applied. Which genetic algorithm operation is computationally most expensive? सबसे ज्यादा expensive कौन सा operation है? A, initial population creation. B, selection of subpopulation formatting. C, reproduction to produce next generation. Or D, convergence testing. So the correct answer is reproduction to produce next generation is the computationally most expensive. Which of the following is not true for genetic algorithms? A part, it is the probabilistic search algorithm. B part, it is guaranteed to give global optimum solution. C part, if an optimization problem has more than one solution, then it will return all the solution. And D, it is an iterative process suitable for parallel programming. And the correct answer is the wrong statement is it is guaranteed to give global optimum solution is wrong for the genetic algorithm. So B is the correct answer. Which one of the following is not necessarily be considered as genetic algorithm parameter? A, population size. B, optimal accuracy. C, mutation probability. And D, average fitness score. And the correct answer is average fitness score. Next is features of reinforcement learning. A, set of problem rather than set of techniques. B, reinforcement learning is training by reward and punishment. C, reinforcement learning is learning from trial and error with the word. And D, all of these. And the correct answer is all of these are the features of the reinforcement learning. So D is the correct answer. Next question is, which is are the requirement for the learn one rule method? Learn one rule method के कौन से requirement हैं? A, inputs accept a set of positive and negative training example. B, output deliver a single rule that covers many positive example and few negative example. And C, output rule has a high accuracy but not necessarily a high coverage. And D, all of the above. तो क्योंकि तीनों ही ऑप्शन करेक्ट है ABC, तो D is the correct answer. Genetic programming individuals in involving population are computer programs rather than bit string. It's a true statement or false? So it's a true statement. So A is the correct answer. Machine learning algorithm can be analyzed using A, computational learning theory. B, statistical learning theory. C, both A and B. And D, none of the above. तो क्योंकि मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिथम को हम कंप्यूटेशनली और स्टैटिकली दोनों तरीके से एनालाइज कर सकते हैं, तो सी बोथ ए एंड बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज डैश ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस एच with respect to the target concept C and distribution D is the probability that H hypothesis will misclassify an instance drawn at random according to tree. A, true error. B, type 1 error. C, type 2 error. D, none of these. And the correct answer is true error. How large is the hypothesis space when we have n Boolean attributes? A, h equal to 3 की power n. B, h equal to 2 की power n. C, h equal to 1 की power n. D, h equal to 4 की power n. And the correct answer is h equal to 3 की power n. Next question is, for a particular learning task, if the requirement of error parameter changes from 0.1 to 0.01, how many more samples will be required for PSC learning? A, same. B, 2 times. C, 1000 times. D, 10 times. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी 10 टाइम्स. क्योंकि हम कैसे निकालते हैं, जो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू होती है इनकी 0.1 उसको 0.01 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. सो यू विल गेट द आंसर 10. 0.1 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.01. सो डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is, computational complexity of classes of learning problems depend on the which of the following? A, the size or complexity of the hypothesis space considered by learner. B, the accuracy to which the target concept must be approximated. C, the probability that the learner will output a successful hypothesis. Or D, all of these. And correct answer is all the options are correct. It means D. All of these is the correct answer. Next is the instance-based learner is a what? A. Lazy learner, B. Eager learner, C. Can't say. And the correct answer is lazy learner, A. So A is the correct option. In KNN algorithm, given a set of training example and the value of K less than size of training set N, the algorithm predicts the class of a test example to be the. What is or are the advantage of CBR? A. Least frequent class among the class of K closest training example. B. Most frequent class among the class of K closest training example. C. Class of the closest point. D. Most frequent class among the class of the K farthest training examples. And the correct answer is B. Most frequent class among the classes of K closest training example. When to consider nearest neighbor algorithm? A. Instance map to point in K power n. B. Not more than 20 attributes per instance. C. Lots of training data. D. None of these. E, A, B and C. And the correct answer is all options A, B, C and A, B and C are correct. So E, A, B and C is the correct answer. Correct option is E. What are the difficulties with K nearest neighbor algorithm? A. Calculate the distance of the test case from all the training cases. B. Cuts of dimensionality. C. Both A and B and D. None of these. क्योंकि दोनों ही डिफिकल्टी हैं ए और बी, इसलिए करेक्ट आंसर क्या है आपका सी. बोथ ए एंड बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. व्हाट आर द एरिया सीएलटी कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ? A. Sample complexity. B. Computational complexity. C. Mistake bound. D. All of these. And the correct answer is the D. All of these is the correct answer. यानी कि एरिया ऑफ CLT के में सैम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, कंप्यूटेशनल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी और मिस्टेक बाउंड सभी आते हैं. Question is what are the advantage of nearest neighbor algorithm? A. Training is very fast. B. Can learn complex target functions. C. Don't lose information. D. All of these. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. ऑल ऑफ दीज. यानी कि ट्रेनिंग भी फास्ट होती है, लर्न कर सकते हो कॉम्प्लेक्स टारगेट फंक्शंस को और इन्फॉर्मेशन भी लूज नहीं होती है. सो डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. कंप्यूटेशनल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ क्लासेस ऑफ लर्निंग प्रॉब्लम्स डिपेंड ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? ए. द साइज और कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ द हाइपोथेसिस स्पेस कंसिडर्ड बाय लर्नर. बी. द एक्यूरेसी टू विच द टारगेट कंसेप्ट मस्ट बी अप्रोक्सीमेटेड. C. The probability that the learner will output a successful hypothesis. Or D. All of these. And the correct answer is all of these because all the options A, B, C and are correct. So D. All of these is the correct option. What area the CLT tells how many mistakes we will make before finding a good hypothesis? A. Sample complexity. B. Computational complexity. C. Mistake bound. D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Mistake bound. What area of CLT tells how many examples we need to find a good hypothesis? A. Sample complexity. B. Computational complexity. C. Mistake bound. D. None of these. And A. Sample complexity is the correct answer. What are the advantages of locally weighted regression? A. Pointwise approximation of complex target function. B. Earlier data has no influence on the new ones. C. Both A and B. And D. None of these. And C part both A and B is the correct answer. The quality of result depend on the LWR. A. Choice of the function. B. Choice of the kernel function K. C. Choice of the hypothesis space H. And D. All of these. And the correct option is D. What are the advantages of distance weighted K nearest neighbor over K nearest neighbor? A. Robust noise training data. B. Quite effective when a sufficient large set of training data is provided. C. Both A and B. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B is the correct advantages. The expectation maximization or EM algorithm has been used to identify conserved domain in unaligned proteins only. State true or false. A. True. B. False. So expectation is not correct, so correct answer is B. False. Which of the following is correct about the naive bias? A. Assumption that all the features in a dataset are independent. B. Assume that all the features in a dataset are equally important. C. Both A and B. And D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B are the correct answer. Which of the following is false regarding EM algorithm? A. The alignment provides an estimate of the base or amino acid composition of each column in the site. B. The column by column composition of the site already available is used to estimate the probability of finding the site at any position in each of the sequence. C. The row by column composition of the site already available is used to estimate the probability, or D. None of the above. And the correct option is C. The row by column composition of the site already available is used to estimate the probability. Naive Bayes algorithm is a dash learning algorithm. A. Supervised, B. Reinforcement, C. Unsupervised, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Supervised. Examples of naive Bayes algorithm is A. Spam filtration, B. Sentimental analysis, C. Classifying articles, D. All of the above. And the correct option is D. All of the above. EM algorithm includes two repeated steps. Here the step 2 is the normalization, A option, B option the maximization step, C option the minimization step, D option the none of the above. And the correct answer is C, the minimization step. In the intermediate steps of EM algorithm, the number of each base in each column is determined and then converted to fractions. A part true statement है, B part false statement है, and the correct option is A, true statement. Naive Bayes algorithm is based on dash and used for solving classification problem. A. Bayes theorem, B. Candidate elimination algorithm, C. EM algorithm, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Bayes theorem. Type of naive Bayes model: A. Gaussian, B. Multinomial, C. Bernoulli, D. All of the above. And the types are all. Yani Gaussian, multinomial, Bernoulli, all are the types of naive Bayes model. So D is the correct answer. The benefit of naive Bayes: A. Naive Bayes is one of the fast and easy ML algorithm to predict a class of dataset. B. It is the most popular choice for text classification problems. C. It can be used for binary as well as multi-class classification. And D. All of the above. And these ABC are all the benefits of the naive Bayes. So D. All of the above is the correct answer. Disadvantages of naive Bayes classifier: A. Naive Bayes assumes that all features are independent or unrelated, so it cannot learn the relationship among features. B. It performs well in multi-class predictions as compared to the other algorithm. C. Naive Bayes is one of the fast and easy ML algorithm to predict a class of dataset. And D. It is the most popular choice for text classification problems. And the only disadvantage of naive Bayes classifier is A part. यानी कि naive Bayes assumes that all features are independent or unrelated, so it cannot learn the relationship between features. In which of the following types of sampling the information is carried out under the opinion of an expert? A. Convenience sampling, B. Judgment sampling, C. Quota sampling, D. Purposive sampling. And the correct answer is B. Judgment sampling. Which of the following is the widely used and effective machine learning algorithm based on the idea of bagging? A. Decision tree, B. Random forest, C. Regression, D. Classification. And the correct answer is B. Random forest. There is feedback in the final stage of backpropagation algorithm, whether its statement is true or false. And the statement is false, so B is the correct answer. Which of the following is true regarding backpropagation rule? A. Hidden layer output is not all important, they are only meant for supporting input and output layers. B. Actual output is determined by computing the output of units for each hidden layer. C. It's a feedback neural network. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. Actual output is determined by computing the output of units for each hidden layer. The general tasks that are performed with backpropagation algorithm: A. Pattern mapping, B. Prediction, C. Function approximation, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above.